Rahul because, obviously, the guest is a superstar. We do not have any prizes for guessing who the guest is. Because there is only one and only one superstar. There is only one and one person who has been the first Indian to be first in both the intermediate and final examinations of the Chartered Institute. There is only one and one Mr. Ram Agarwal. I request Mr. Ram Agarwal to come up on stage, please. Welcome, sir.
Well, I thought that probably his college because both of us take at least 4 or 5 coffees every day. Probably he didn't want me to have coffee without Rahul today. So Rahul, thank you very much for calling. I mean, don't make me a superstar. As it is, people are afraid of coming to me. And I think I'm hearing that when very few who come, they will also stop coming to me.
No, I'm sure after today's interaction, why don't you please take a seat, Mr. Agarwal? Why don't you bring us the coffee? Yes. Coffee with Karan or coffee with Rahul is incomplete without coffee. So we actually will have coffee. Could you please pour some coffee? What we will do is, I'm sure most of you all are, familiar with the coffee with Karan format. Obviously, I am not Karan Johar. Then I would have said, if I was Karan Johar, then I would have said, oh, Mr. Agarwal, it's so lovely for you to be here. Karan Johar, but I'm proud to be in part. I think what I will do is, do we have another mic for Mr. Agarwal? Is there another mic or will we change, will we interact and change this mic?
At least the coffee is very tempting, Rahul. Can I start with it?
Please.
No, it's okay. Thank you very much. Don't give very difficult questions. I mean, it was 30 years back when I had passed my examination. I don't want to spoil my image today. So be considerate.
Well, I think the questions will be a mixed bag. There will be some questions, particularly in the rapid fire round, which might be controversial. There will be some questions which you could say, no comments or don't want to answer, or you could counter it by asking me a question. But I think, first of all, Mr. Agarwal, I'd like to know something. Say you've got a brilliant reputation, you've got an academician, you did wonderfully in your studies, but we also want to know, we know you're a human being. Did you ever play truant? Did you ever bunk your articleship?
Well, you are really taking me back to, I think, 1970, late 60s or early 70s. Well, we used to bunk a lot. To be very frank, I mean, our office was very close to, the area where all the cinema houses are located. So very often we'll slip out, maybe during the noon show. It used to start at 11:30 or 12. So we'll come, we'll record our attendance to Mr. Sinha and Mr. Sampath who used to be there, and very quietly we'll slip out. And there used to be a gang of 6-8 people, so 1 or 2 will remain back. Their turn will come probably the next day. And if anyone would ask that, they'll say, oh, they have just gone down for a cup of tea or coffee, they'll come back. So that's how we used to bunk, but that was only in the initial period of the articleship. I think after the intermediate examination, everything changed, and thereafter there was no question of bunking.
So I see the first human side of Mr. Agarwal, he also would bunk office. Mr. Agarwal, we ordinary mortals,
not only bunking, I will let you a very incident, which will speak about the reputation I was having at that point of time. When my result came out for the intermediate, I was away to Upper Ganges for the audit. And somebody went and told Mr. Jaiswal that Mr. Agarwal has stood first. And he can't believe, and he said, go and check up again. Is it the same Agarwal who has got first or it's somebody else? He couldn't believe it.
Well, Mr. Agarwal is human. Second question, we ordinary humans have sometimes nightmares. What if we don't succeed? Sometimes even after succeeding on the examination, you have nightmares that you are still giving an examination. Have you ever felt afraid? Have you ever had nightmares?
Well, I won't say no, but it was very rare. It was very rare. I mean, yes, till the examination happened, I used to have a nightmare almost every day because, as you rightly said, till it happened to me, there was none who had stood first in both intermediate and final. And the friends will very often say, now that you have come first in the intermediate, you have lost your chance of making it to the final. I mean, it's very difficult for you to get first in the final examination. So that was a nightmare, but it was a challenge also. And I think God has been kind, and I accepted the challenge and He rewarded me for that.
Well, if I quickly ask you, Mr. Agarwal, switching to a different topic, who was your idol?
Are you talking on the firm or?
No, in your personal life, or even like a movie star, or your personal hero, anything.
Well, if you are talking who has contributed most in making me, then probably I'll say my parents. They were always the great motivators for me. Particularly my father, he had great confidence in me, and he would always say to me that you are going to make it someday. I mean, he was, and my mother was very strict. I mean, she won't allow me to play. I mean, I used to go and play, but she was very strict, and she did see to it that I devote the right type of time in my study. So I think my parents have been great motivators. Then my brothers, of course, they also played their part. So, but if you talk about, I mean, there will be idols, different idols in different fields. So, I mean, if you talk about movies, then I am a great Raj Kapoor fan. Because Raj Kapoor, I mean, his movies I would have seen a number of times, I mean, that way. So naturally in movies he was there. If you talk about cricket, then of course, I mean, if old days you go, then Sowas was there. I mean, in the current era, if you see, I mean, people like Sachin Tendulkar. So there are different idols in different, if you talk about our own firm, who will be there then? Of course, Mr. Narewal, Mr. Chakravarti were there to, I mean, motivate me.
You achieved such enormous amount of success. God has been kind. Is there some regret in your life?
I won't like to express regret for anything which I have not received. I think, as I said in the beginning, God has been kind. Probably He has given me more than what I would have expected in the beginning of my career. But there are regrets in everybody's life. But I don't take it as a regret because those are very few compared to what I have received. So,
do you miss anyone with this great success, with such a...
Well, of course, my parents, because my father passed away in a very early stage. I mean, when I had just become a partner. I wish my father would have been here to see my success because he was one of the great motivators for me. So I am definitely missing the presence of my father today. I mean, definitely.
Well, now let's switch to a little bit of a personal topic. What did you first think when you saw Sharda Bhabhi first?
Well, I thought I am going to marry her.
Is there any message you would like to give Bhabhi now?
She has got the message already.
What do you consider your strengths?
I think, as per my strength, I think self-confidence is something which I believe in. And of course, destiny also. And destiny has been always favorable. And I believe in karma, I think, which always keeps me motivated. And even if I don't get what I expect, it doesn't dishearten me. So I think these are the qualities which I had from my childhood. These are the things which my mother taught because she was a very pious and religious lady, and she would always, tell us Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata and all that, and these things which I have talked about, there are numerous instances in those books, I mean, justifying our belief in these mantras.
Well, we come to, and I will be very happy if there is quiet all around. we come to what is known as the rapid fire round. In the rapid fire round, I ask you some questions very fast. Some of them may be tricky questions. You can choose not to answer. You can choose to give me a mouthful tomorrow. But we would like you to answer as many questions as possible. There is no coffee hamper that I can give you, but our hearts should go out to you and we will wish you all the best for this rapid fire round.
Okay.
You'll have to answer fast on this rapid fire round. If you would not complete the sentence, if you would not have been a CA, you would have been
In business, my father's business,
31st December to you means
being with the family. And family here, I mean the extended family of Ernst & Young, not necessarily my own family.
your views on love marriage versus arranged marriage.
Well, it depends on personal choice. I have no bias or no preference for anyone. Given a chance, I'll go for love marriage now.
Oh, that's a good one. He's going to win this one. Two things you dislike about me.
Well, you are very forgetful, and Soma will definitely agree with me. And at times, you are in haste, which you shouldn't have in that way. But I would like to discuss about the qualities, otherwise probably DJ will have to be overlooked, I think.
Which is why I said you dislike. Okay, well, now is a quick choice questions.
Can I ask you a question, Rahul?
Please.
Which is my biggest weakness? Because you are the one who probably spends most of the time in the office apart from my secretary. So what you see as my weakness and which you feel I need to improve upon?
If I say very frankly, there is something which in some situations works as a strength but is a weakness. It's a weakness because I have seen you never keep anything against a person in your mind, you never strategize, ठीक है ये आज क्या है, कल मैं फिर उसको जब मौका मिलेगा, you immediately call the person, you score the person, then you forget everything, you don't keep it in your heart. That is very good, you are very open, you are very approachable. However, perhaps somebody will say you are not strategic in going and getting some aims. You don't believe in strategy.
How the people feel here? Is it a weakness or a strength? Well, thank you very much.
Okay, so now these questions. Asha Parekh or Mona Sinha?
None. I am talking of today's time. They must have been very old by now.
Mukesh or Kishore?
Mukesh all the time. As I said, I was a Raj Kapoor fan, so Mukesh, definitely.
Football or cricket?
I used to be a football fan, but now of course cricket, because football has lost its importance now.
Malika or Bipasha?
Well, Bipasha, I have left for you, Rahul. So that's why I have no choice.
Mamata or Buddhadev Babu?
Well, I think the way they are fighting today, I mean, it's better they reconcile. I don't want to cast my vote in favor of anyone, I mean.
Rajiv Memani or Kashi Memani?
Of course, Kasim Memani, because I have worked for almost 30 years with him and he has some great qualities. So definitely for me, Kasim Memani will always be ahead of Rajiv.
Vajpayee ji or Advani ji?
Vajpayee ji, of course.
Coke or Whirlpool?
Coke. I mean, I can't dare say it is Whirlpool because they are no more our clients in any case. Oh, they are.
Rams or tax?
None. Assurance.
Kapapi Bosa or Rumi Bose?
Well, Ruby Bose, of course. She shares a lot of my burden, I mean, definitely.
I will say, I don't know whether you will agree with me, but this is the best rapid fire round I've ever seen. 100%. He, in fact, turned the gun on me, and we have seen today the human side of Mr. R.K. Agarwal. We've seen the simple man, Mr. R.K. Agarwal. We've seen the sport that Mr. R.K. Agarwal is. And I think all of us here, think it a great opportunity that we can actually wish him a very, very happy new year with this. And I take this opportunity to do the first question.
No, thanks, Rahul. Thank you very much. You didn't ask me a very difficult question. Otherwise, I was Really, I was nervous. What sort of questions you are going to ask? I must say you've been considerate. I enjoyed you so very much, and thanks for calling us.
And I would
Enjoy
just like to add one word before we go. There is this ritual. You must accompany me to chair to sign that coffee mug there.
Okay.
You have to sign this coffee mug.
All right. Thank you.
Once again, Mr. Agarwal, thank you for being a great sport. That coffee mug will go as one of the prizes to the deserving winners.